I'm making eggs. Got some green tea brewing. It's actually snowy outside. But we're gonna hit the road and see what happens, I suppose.
Nice tan skin.
Big old booties.
Okay, do you know where you're going yet?
Not really.
Go straight.
I think I have to go right. Oh. One of the reasons I liked it was because the tone snore. Tell you what, how long?
Oh my god, why did I buy all that alcohol?
That was a
like,
lot.
We're sick.
I know. You're like, literally last night, I'm not gonna eat anything
All we need is
acidic or alcohol.
tea. Which, by the way, tea is very
First rest stop.
It's pretty inexpensive.
7 cocktails! Straight to the face!
Well, even that wine, I feel like that wine isn't necessarily bad for you.
Yeah.
It's probably good for you,
Oh,
actually.
fuck me running.
Emergency brake.
God damn. I wonder why I felt weird.
Damn, boy. To you?
Okay, so what just happened? We tried to drive up the hill and the traffic was stopped. So we stopped and then we got stuck. And then we proceeded to take the next 10 minutes trying to turn around. And finally like 8 dudes came and pushed us and we flipped it on the hill and started driving down. But now we're reevaluating our plan and we're gonna... Okay, so this is the part of the video where we actually ditched the van on the side of the road. We had gotten stuck climbing up the mountain. We had driven 90 miles. We have 5 miles left and we get stuck. And so we have a bunch of people help us push the van and rotate it back down the mountain. We go park it and we hitch a ride with this old guy putting chains on his truck, and he's like hauling this Airstream up to the mountain, and we hitch a ride with this total stranger and we make it to the top of the mountain. Okay, we are now riding after getting stuck in a beautiful F-350. There's Teresa back there, and Dave, I believe, Dan, and he has graciously agreed to help us get to the top of the mountain. So that is the next chapter of this journey, and we're pulling in soon, and hopefully still snowboard. Okay, we made it to the top. Well, sort of. We made it in, and it's very snowy, and there's lots of RVs out here. Somehow all these RVs made it up the mountain. Crazy. Okay, so almost done editing the video, and that's it for this section. There'll be a part 2 where we actually make it to the mountain and totally crush some slopes. Peace.